Looking for a wheelchair van that's affordable, easy to use, and gives you more driving flexibility? This 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT might be exactly what you've been searching for. Today we're taking a look at this wheelchair accessible van, and this one has a really nice balance of accessibility, comfort, and value. First thing to point out, this van has just 41,900 miles, which is great for 2017. It's finished in a clean black exterior, and it gives you a sleek modern look that doesn't scream medical vehicle. This van features an AMS Vans side entry conversion with an automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. The ramp measures 50 inches in length by 29 inches wide, so it works well with most wheelchairs and power chairs. You also have a 54-inch tall by 30-inch wide door opening, which makes getting in and out smooth and comfortable. Inside, you'll find a black cloth exterior, durable, easy to maintain, and comfortable for everyday use. Now here's where this van really stands out. You have a driver's side turnout seat, which makes transferring into the driver position much easier. And on the passenger side, the seat is removable, giving you more flexibility depending on how you want to use the space. So whether you're driving, riding, or transporting someone else, you have options. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which is known for being reliable and smooth. This van drives like a normal vehicle, easy to handle, comfortable, and great for both city and highway driving. This is a great option if you're looking for a daily driver mobility van, something easy to operate, and a vehicle that gives you flexibility with seating and transfers.
I'm starting to get pleasure in your misery, so I might go away. You know it's tough for me to fake this. It is now the end of existence, and I will disappear. It's only a matter of time.
So if you're interested and have any questions in this van, give Automobility Store a call at 800-431-3183 or visit us online at automobilitystore.com. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other mobility vans. We have a ton of options available. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.